Alright, we're going to look at this problem a different way. We're going to make it a fraction and see how it goes from there. Okay, Jose has 6 bags of candy. The bags all weigh the same amount. In total, they weigh 24 and 1800 grams. How much does each bag weigh? Show your work. So again, I have 24 and 18 grams, and I'm going to divide that by 6. So I can make my numerator 24 and 18 hundredths, and I'm going to make my denominator 6. Remember, before we start doing anything, we have to make each one a whole number. So this is a whole number 6. 24 and 18 hundredths has a whole number in it, but it isn't a whole number. Whole number is something that doesn't have any decimal or fraction to it. So in order to get this to a whole number, we would need to multiply it by 100. So I would need to multiply each my denominator, or my numerator, sorry, and my denominator by 100. 24 and 18 hundredths times 100 gives us 2,418, and that's going to be over 6 times 100, or 600. Okay. If I take a look at this number, right now I know that they're even, right? So I know it's divisible by 2, but really quick I see kind of here, I know this is divisible by 6 because it was 6, and I think this one might be divisible by 6 too. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so if I remember my divisibility rules for 6, if a number is divisible by 2 and by 3, then it has to be divisible by 6. So if we take a look at this number and we add it, we know it's divisible by 2 because of the 8. And if we remember, if a number is divisible by 3, the digits when added up will be a multiple of 3. So let's see, 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 1 is 7, plus 8 is 15. 15 is a multiple of 3. This number is a multiple of 2 and of 3, so that means it has to be a multiple of 6. So we're going to try dividing each one by 6. Okay, we know 6 divided by 6, or 600 divided by 6 is 100, right? 2,418. If we wanted to look at that real quick. Divided by 6. 6 cannot go into 2. It can go into 24. It goes into 24 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. We subtract, we get 0. Bring down the 1. 6 cannot go into 1, so we have 0. So then we bring down the 8. 6 goes into 18 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. Okay, so that means this number when divided by 6 is 403. Alright, so at this point I see I have 100 and I have 403 hundredths. So if I have 403 hundredths, I have 4 and 3 hundredths. Because if I have 400 hundredths, that's 4, and then 3 hundredths is 3 hundredths. So I have 403 hundredths. So each bag weighs 4 and 3 hundredths of a gram.